In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Braid Financial account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in braidfinancial.com, press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Braid Financial. You can see over here, you'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to sign in to your account, it is actually very simple. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. If you click on it, you'll be able to find the options like credit cards, savings, loans, business sign in. Simply click on the account that you want to sign into. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the new interface. From here, you'll be able to sign in to the type of account that you selected. All you have to do is enter your credentials. Click on the field of username. Now enter the username over here. If you have forgotten your username, click on this option forgot and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the username, click on the option continue that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be prompted to enter the password. Simply enter your password. After you enter the password, you'll be able to sign in to your account. So like this, you'll be able to log in the Braid Financial account. So that is how you log in Braid Financial account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.